Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode we are looking at the safe way of operating a pressure cooker. A pressure cooker needs maximum attention and caution when you use it. It can be dangerous because it contains a lot of pressure. When you use it, if you don't, like when you locked it, there's too much pressure in it. So the safest way to operate it, you don't have to open the lid without releasing your pressure. The lever on top, when you move it to the other side, you lock the pressure. When you move it to the other side, that's how you release the pressure. So for your safety, when you're cooking with this pot, when you're opening it, for your own safety, never try to open the lid without first releasing the pressure. You must first release the pressure and let it all out. All the pressure must be out before you can easily open the lid. If you see yourself applying too much force to open the lid, just know that something is wrong. So you need to release the pressure first. So many people, in many cases, you find that they put their beans inside, they cook them. When they feel that they are done cooking, they want to open it without releasing the pressure because the pot, it's locked. All these locked devices here will get out of the alignment, so you'll never be able to open your pot. I find many cases whereby I get this pot with food inside because the user could not open the lid. The reason why they couldn't open the lid is because they did not release the pressure enough before they try to open the lid. So you'll never open the lid for its own safety because it can explode. For your own safety, the lock devices will get out of alignment if you don't release the pressure. So you'll be lucky if the lid is able to open without releasing the pressure. The most important thing is for you to release the pressure before you open your lid.